the pirate flag's been scallywagged. Oh, the tree's down. It's corn chowder now. Well, the furniture's floating.
I'm John Opper, and you're watching Sliding with Sasquatch.
Hey everybody, welcome to Sliding with Sasquatch. Guess what? I sat down, put together a video, and I uploaded it. You can go back to the swamp house, check it out after a hurricane we had that flooded us out pretty good. So stick around and check it out. Oh, the tree's down. How, look at that. The pirate flag's been scallywagged. I was gonna need a paddleboard to get to my paddleboard. Well, about a foot and a half deep here. I'm not even to the trail yet. Oh dear. The deer feeder. Under the Iowa. Boy. That's corn chowder now. Last time I saw the swamp this much water in it was the hurricane season of 2004. Wow, this is where I usually hang out and camp. It's it's a good 4 feet easy here. Well, let me try to paddle back there and see what we can find. It's gonna be hard to do. I lost my GoPro, so I'm one-handing this with a iPhone. Nice. There's the old paddleboard back there. Well, finally made it to the other. That's normally my swamp ride right there, but it's easy 5 feet deep here right now. So now it's just to see if we can make it through. I've never been able to paddle straight through to the swamp house. Well, spent a half an hour trying to get back, kind of getting lost, but I forgot. I left this board out here because I took the fins out of it. This board I'm on here is getting hung on everything, and then you can't back up, and I'm getting pinched in between tree clusters, and a good bit of this swamp is up to my chin. I don't really feel like getting soaked. So I'm swapping out. Above water? This thing must be floating. There's no way this thing is. Oh yeah. That's a floating dock there. Well, I don't even know where my dock's at. I must be going the wrong way. Whee! Got some tight squeezes here. Oh man, hate losing that path, but it's all easy now, just floating. Which way? That way or that way? I'm going this way. Oh no. Water. Well, the furniture's floating. I don't think I'm wide enough to get in here. Yeah, she's a bit waterlogged. Well, don't bug out in a monsoon unless you got a flotilla. Okay, well, swamp is full. There'll be no bush trapping out here for a while. Mode of transportation. On my way back. Man, never seen it this deep. I've seen it up to the bottom, but this is always about 1.5 feet higher than the walkway. And I've seen the walkway on there, but never my swamp house. Oh man, tables upside down in the water. And it's floating. Oh dear, I've seen an electrical cord. Oh, that must be for my light. Alright, well. There's a carpet down there too. I'm going to say everything in here is kaput. Well, at least it ain't the house. But nothing ever falls here in the swamp. And I'm thinking, look at this. I could have safely rode this storm out. There's no Weathermakers or anything around. So this could have been a cool place to hang out during a storm. Well, I'm gonna bring it back, try to get back. The wind's picking up again, probably have some more squalls coming in. Well, let's head back home. I guess my swamp house acts doubles as a parking garage. Off we go.
There you go. Hurricane Ian, September 30th, 2022. Just a little over a year ago. Man, it sure did drop a lot of water. A lot of people lost a lot of property. Unfortunate. That's living in Florida. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it and stick around. I will definitely try to be more diligent about putting more content out. So check it out. Keep touching base. Thanks again for subscribing and liking. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Groucho, he's not had much interest watching the charts today. He's got his nose on a little girl. You want some of that, don't you? What do you think, Groucho? You want some hoochie coochie? You want some of that cocoa? Ooh. Gotta get some.